Hey, hello guys. Welcome to our afternoon live trading session. Okay, so this is the session where we analyze the market together and open trades, okay, and then make money. You understand? This is our money making session. So I have my co-host here with me today, Biodun. I'm sure most of us are already familiar with him. Biodun, please say hi to our viewers.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm happy to be here today. As usual, what we'll be doing is I'll be your mouthpiece for this class. If you have any question whatsoever relating to trading, just drop it in the comment section. I will be looking at it and I'll be able to answer all your questions.
All right, thank you, Biodun. We are happy to have you here also. All right.
Yeah.
So today we'll be analyzing the GBP CHF. Well, I've already made the analysis. All right. So I'm just going to walk you through everything that I've done here. All right. So guys, go and get your account prepared. Go and get your account ready. If you haven't found your account, please go and fund your account. It's very, very, very important. Unless you don't want to make money with us. So I'm sure most of us, the trade we took yesterday, the GBP USD we took here on this live stream yesterday. If you took the trade with us, congratulations, the trade hit TP. All right. It took a while, but it eventually went to TP. All right. So this is the trade from yesterday. Let me go to my 5 minute time frame so that you can see it better. All right. So this is it. The trade hit TP. All right. In fact, I closed mine before it actually got to this area. Okay. So I hope you did the same. Here I always tell you guys, I always advise that when you start seeing profits, don't wait for maybe I've already set TP now. Let me wait until the market gets to the TP. All right. So in forex market, there's what we call take your profit and run. Yeah, most of the time the market will actually get to the TP. Yeah, like this one, it got to the TP, but it's advisable when you start seeing good profit. Okay, sometimes I don't even allow my market to get to the TP. I just close it manually. Okay, so that way I'm safe. Okay, so guys, please go and fund your account. Let's make this money together. The forex market has so many opportunities. Okay, so the money for you to make is there. The money for me to make is also there. Okay, so our money is not affecting each other. Okay, the opportunity for both of us is not affecting each other. So this afternoon live section is not just for talking for pigeon. No be play session. You understand? No be play session. So we are not here. We are here for serious business. All right. So what I'm trying to do here is getting you guys to make money. We all know the economy, how the economy is right now. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do here, trying to make money and at the same time teaching you how you can become a professional yourself. All right. So please, guys, let's fund our account and make this money together. It's very important. And when you are funding, make sure you are funding up to $15 so that you'll be qualified to join my premium channel. I already told you the benefit of joining the channel. Once you are in the channel, you don't even need to be doing all of these things yourself. Okay, so I'll be the one doing it from morning till evening. So I'll be the one providing the signal. All you have to do is just relax. Okay, maybe if you have any other thing you want to do, in fact, if you even watch film, it doesn't matter. Whatever you want to do, just do your thing. Okay, let me be the one analyzing the market and I'll be sending you the signal. All you have to do is just set an alarm. So when I send signal, take the signal. Okay, and then we both make money together. It's just as easy as that. And for you to be qualified, all you have to do is just deposit, fund your account. Let me not use the word deposit. Fund your account with at least $15 on this live stream. All right. How do you do that? If you want to fund your account right now, go to the chat room. Okay, on top of your chat room, there's a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Click on that banner and it will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. All right, fund your account with at least $15. Guys, $15. And please make sure you are doing that on this live stream. All right, so let's go on with the business for today. All right, let's go on for the with making analysis and stuff like that. So this is the GBP. Oh, sorry, I think I was currently on a market that I just analyzed. So today I don't want us to um I don't want us to miss opportunities that much, and I want our trade to be fast executed. Okay, so what I mean by fast executed is I will not be going to the higher time frame. Remember, I said you can actually make analysis on the lower time frame and get the most important thing is just make sure that the analysis you want to be taking your entry from is different from the where you are making your analysis. Okay, the time frame where you want to be taking your entry from is different from where you are making your analysis. So if you are going to be taking your entries on the 1 minute, 3 minute to 5 minute time frame, you want to make your analysis from the 15 minute or the 30 minute time frame. Okay, and if your entry is going to be from the 15 minute time frame, then you obviously want to make your analysis from the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frame. All right. So this is just a professional guide. Okay, it doesn't matter if you have maybe other ideas. Yeah, it's okay. Money making is the most important thing here. Okay. So let me just make this analysis and see where the market is heading to. Okay. So this is the 15-minute time frame, and this is the 30-minute time frame. Sorry about that, guys. That was a network glitch. So let's continue. Let's continue. All right. Let's continue with our analysis. So this is the 5 minute time frame, and right now the AUDCAD is heading to my trend line. Right, it's heading to my trend line. So if you look at the trend line, you notice that it's facing down. All right, the trend lines are facing down. The channel. Okay, let me. So when a trend line becomes two, we call it channel in forex. All right. So my channel right now is facing down. That means we are in on where the trend is downtrend. Okay. The trend here is downtrend. So what we want to be looking at is a sell opportunity. Okay. Sell opportunity. We don't want to be taking buys that is going to take us out of the market. Okay. So it's called flowing with the trend. Okay, it's called flowing with the trend. Do what the trend is doing, don't go against the trend. Okay, so trend is your friend, all right, but make sure you are following the pattern of the trend. Don't ever go against the trend. If the trend is telling you it is down that I'm going though, please make sure you are going with the trend. Okay, follow it down. Write it down. Don't ever go against it. All right. So right now we have a break. um we have a break of trend line to the downside. We have a break of the trend line to the downside. And then we have this here. Okay. Guys, do not mind this POI that I wrote here, okay? So it's just a way of, I just love labeling my entries and all. Okay. Um, so also on our evening session, you see me labeling my, price actions, my entry points. So it's the same thing I'm doing here. So right now, what I'm waiting for is I want this market to make a retracement back here, okay? Because this is my point of interest. This is where my resistance is lying, okay? So I want this market to come back to this point of interest, and then I'm going to ride it to the downside. Okay, I'm going to ride it to the downside. So we have our first analysis here. We have this first analysis here. We have our first analysis. Let's go and look for another one. All right. We have our first analysis. Let's go and look for another one. This is the AUDCAD. Let's do popular pair. Okay. Let's do popular instrument. Let's do something like Euro USD. This is something everybody trades. Okay. They are popular because almost everybody trades them. The GBP USD, Euro USD, BTC USDT, they are very popular. This didn't get to my entry point before coming down. Okay, so this is one of my analysis for the premium members, but unfortunately it didn't get to the entry. Okay, it didn't get to the entry. It didn't get to my entry. So I have a channel that looks like an uptrend here, all right? But this is because we are on the lower time frame. Okay, this is because we are on the lower time frame. The overall trend for the higher time frame is actually a downtrend. Okay, so that is why I was, waiting for this market to get to this point and then trigger my entry from here. Okay, but what this means is that you can actually take, since we are getting something that looks like an uptrend here. Okay, even though it's a short-term uptrend, you can still go to your 5-minute time frame and scalp this. Okay, so when this market get to this point right now, what I want to be doing is I want to be on the 5-minute time frame looking at what is happening here. Okay, so when this market get to this point, to this second trend line, I'll go to my 5-minute time frame and then see what is happening here. So whatever happened here is going to give me that decision if I should buy or continue to ride the trend down to the downside. Okay, but I know that if this got to this area, it's going to sell bastardly. Okay, it's going to sell to the downside. It's going to sell. It will continue selling. It will break all of this trend line and continue selling to the downside. All right, because the overall trend is a downtrend. Okay, so this is another market we should be looking out for. Um, the first one we did was AUD. Okay, I guess that was AUDCAD, yeah? Okay. I just want us to notice it down, okay? I want us to notice it down. AUDCAD first, and then Euro USD second, all right? So we have two analyses already. This is the 15-minute time frame. Okay, sorry, this is 30 minutes. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame. Let's wait for this market to get to this point. Okay, so whatever happened here is where we're going to be making our decisions from. So let's look for another popular instrument. Let's do GBP USD. Let's do GBP USD. Guys, if you have any pair in mind you want me to analyze on, please, you can specify. Okay, you are allowed to make choices. Okay, help me make choices. If there's a pair you want me to make analysis on, just let me know. Okay. So the overall trend, I think this is the trade we took yesterday. The overall trend here is a downtrend. Yeah. The overall trend here is a downtrend. But we were able to scalp this to the top side yesterday because it provided us an opportunity since the market was lying around our trend line. Okay. It was laying on our trend line, our downtrend line, giving us that opportunity that the market was going to buy for some times. Okay. So this is the Euro USD. This is the Euro USD. But I won't analyze this market. Okay. I'm not going to take this market for today. Why? Is because yesterday, even before our TP hit, we had a little drawdown. Okay. So let me clear the chart and let me show you so that I can show you the drawdowns. You see, look at this. We call this sideways market. Okay, this is a sideways market. Okay, it was ranging. You can call it a ranging market, a sideways market, or a consolidating market. Okay, so whenever I get something like this where we have a lot of consolidations, I try to stay away from such markets. But what we can actually do is we have a point of interest around this area. Okay, we have a point of interest, so we can actually focus on the point of interest. Okay, we can focus on the point of interest, and if we get maybe like a reversal of some sort, we can go to the lower time frame and look for entry positions. All right, but I love to stay away from market that has too many consolidations. All right, because the reason why it was consolidating here is because it wanted to break the lower trend line. All right, so that means whatever happened here, the market might just refuse, to continue its uptrend. Okay, since the overall trend is downtrend, it might just fail the little uptrend, okay, and then start coming down. We don't want that. Okay, you see, we are getting the rejection. We are getting a rejection that the market is going to continue. But I don't trust this rejection. I don't trust it. Okay. And I've already told you why I don't trust the rejection. Because we have too many consolidations here. Okay. And the consolidation is showing that he wanted to break the lower trend line. Remember, we had a trend line that came all this way. So let's.
Okay. Hello, Leo.
Biodon, and we.
I think I got some recommendation of the product of
Okay.
the market.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Yeah. But before then, I think I'm getting a lot of questions about how to make deposits, how to join the premium group, and all of that. Let me quickly summarize that, and I'll move on to the suggestions given.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
If you want to join the premium group, you are expected to make a deposit of at least $15 to join the premium group. The premium group allows you to get daily signals. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned trader, you don't need to do the hard work. Leo helps you do the hard work. All you need to do is to deposit $15, join the premium group, and signals will be provided. All you need to do is to key into the signal, watch your trade, and close the market when you are supposed to. Then, if you don't know how to deposit, just click on the banner at the top of the live chat. You'll see an obvious banner there, deposit with benefit. Just click on it. It will take you to where to deposit. An account number will be generated to you. Just transfer money to that account number, and we'll automatically see it and add you to the premium group. Always remember that you must join with at least $15, and you can also do $200 upward. If you do $200 upward, you'll be able to join the premium group. And Leo will take at least a 1 hour session with you, teaching you how he does his analysis, how he trades, how he comes about giving you all of these signals you are seeing. Now, if you make a deposit of $15 downward, we won't be able to add you to the premium group, because the requirement to join the premium group is to have at least $15 to make a deposit of at least $15. I think that should be clear for Grace Peter. Grace Peter asked that question about what if she's to deposit $5. You can deposit $5, but you won't join the premium group. You can always use it to get to do the trade Leo gives you on the live session, but not on the premium group.
Yes.
So I think that is clear. So Lina is suggesting you trade on US crude oil and BTC USD. Then another person, BTC USDT. BTC USDT rather, and crude oil.
BTC USDT and crude oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That's a good
The same person is also suggesting BNB USDT. So I think he gave three. Maybe you can
Okay.
pick
Okay.
one from those three.
Okay. Binance Coins USDT.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
beautiful. That's
Sorry, let me just, maybe you should answer this question, then go. Somebody asked
okay.
Abu Ashraf. He asked that what is POI, point of interest,
Oh,
and how do you
okay.
decide, and how do I decide TI, that is trade entry?
All right. All right. That's beautiful. Abu, that's a beautiful question. That's a beautiful question. Okay. So let me just quickly answer that before we move on. All right. So POI is just a general name that I give to, my support or resistance zone. Okay. So most traders will say, this is my support zone, this is my resistance zone, or you even hear some traders saying, calling it an order block. All right. So when I say point of interest, is just a name I give to it. All right. So if you are on the if you've been attending my evening session, you know where I draw my support or resistance zones, my support or resistance zone, something like this, where I always draw something like this, a box. Okay, my support, and then my resistance zone. Okay, so I gave them a general name. Okay, so the general name I gave them is POI. That's point of interest. All right. So you can decide to call it whatever you want also. Okay. So I hope I answered that. Then the next question is how to get your entry on a trade. Okay, so you can get your entry when your when the price moves to your POI. Okay, so this is a POI. This is a point of interest. Okay, this is a resistance zone. So let me quickly show you this before I proceed. Right. So this is a resistance zone. All right. So what I'm waiting for is I want this market. So let's assume that this is where I got the market from. This is where I made the market. Okay. So all of these were not yet printed. Okay. This is where I made the market. This wasn't printed yet. Okay. So what I want to do is, since I know that this market rejected from here, okay, this is a rejection candle. We call this a rejection candle. Let me zoom on it so that you can see that clearly. Okay. So we call this a rejection candle, this long wick. Okay. Remember on our evening session, long wick with small body. Okay. Long wick with a small body, rejection candle. Okay. So it's a way of, this is a failed market. The market was heading to the top side. But when it got to this area, you see, it's as if it touched something and then the whole of the candle failed. Okay. So this is what you want to be looking for when your market is getting into your support or your resistance zone. Okay, you want to get something. Okay, when it touches it, a candle that fails, a rejection candle. Okay, so then I marked it out this way using my resistance box. Okay, you don't need to label it, just draw your you already know this is where you are going to draw your resistance. Okay, so just draw your box and wait for the market to make a retracement back into that box. Okay, so this is where I would have entered the trade. Okay, this is where I would have taken the trade from after I got this rejection. Okay, so this is not a perfect rejection. Okay, it's not as perfect as this, but yeah, since I already got a rejection from here before, I'm waiting for the market to get here, and then I'll be waiting to see the reaction of what happens when the market got to that box again. And when it got there, what happened? The market failed. Okay, even though it's not as perfect as this, but we still got a failed candle, and then we can take our sell entry right from that candle, right from that entry. Okay, so I hope I answered your question. I hope I answered it clearly. I hope you understand.
Yes, I think you have answered it.
Okay, okay, okay. So let's continue with our analysis then. Okay,
Then
so
the suggestion.
the suggestion, that's good, that's good. Okay, so let me use the suggestion that was made. Let's use the suggestions that was made. Let's start with the BNB USDT. Okay, let's start with the BNB USDT. Those are beautiful pairs. All right, they are good instruments that provide lots of opportunities also. So first off, I want to get my overall direction. All right, since I haven't made any analysis here today, the first thing I want to do is I want to check where the market is actually heading to. Okay, so this is my 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, this is a downtrend. Okay, so the market has been making moves to the downside. And then I've been getting something that looks like a break of structure to the downside. What do I mean by break of structure? Okay, you see, the market was here, it came up, break this low. Okay, this is a low. So anytime a low gets breaking like this, we call it a break of structure. The same thing happened here. So I'm only making this explanation because of maybe I know some of us are here that maybe we haven't been attending the evening session. See, guys, that's why I keep telling you it's very important. Come for the evening session, okay? All of these explanations I make it on the evening session, okay? And I make it as detailed as possible, all right? So I have a break to the downside, and then this is suggesting that the market will continue to go down for a while. All right. So I have this retracement already. I'm not waiting for any other retracement right now. Okay. So what I'm looking for is, whatever happens around this area. Okay. What has happened previously on this area. So let's zoom on. Let's zoom out on that and see what is going on. So like I said, the market already made its move to the upside. So we have a major retracement, okay, which means that the market is going to continue to go down. So the opportunity I'll be looking out for right now is a downtrend, okay, a downtrend, a sell opportunity, because the overall trend for BNB USDT is downtrend, all right. So this is my point of interest. This is where my resistance is, right? Let me just do this. This is my resistance. This is my point of interest. All right. So now I'll be going down to the lower time frame, say the 1 hour time frame to see. Okay. So you see the market is heading towards our resistance zone. All right. So what you want to do is you want to keep an eye out for BNB USDT. All right. So when this gets here, whatever happened here is going to decide if you are to sell. Okay. It's obviously going to sell because the higher time frame, that is the 4 hour time frame, from our analysis, is telling us that the overall trend is a downtrend. That means the market is going to continue to go down. Okay. So what is happening here right now is just a retracement. Okay, so whenever the market breaks to the downside, whenever the market breaks a structure to the downside, it always goes back up to make a retracement. All right, we already have a major retracement. Okay, this is just the other retracement that is going to happen. So I was able to get my entry point on my resistance zone. Okay, this is my resistance zone. I'm not going to use this as a resistance zone because this actually came up all the way here to retest another resistance. Okay, so I got a breakout here. Then the next resistance is going to be from here. Okay, so let me go back to the 4 hour time frame. You can look out for this pair, the BUSDT, on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so you can keep an eye out for it. So when it gets into the resistance zone, you can look out for a sell entry, a sell position. All right. So it's not anywhere close to our resistance right now. So let's move on to the next analysis. That's BTC USDT. Okay. So let's see if we can get a scalping opportunity on this. Oh, the market is even on my resistance zone. I think I made this analysis yesterday. Right. But let me just delete this and make a fresh analysis. So first off, you want to get your overall trend, right? You want to get your overall trend. So you see, the overall trend here is an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend. So guys, I want you to pay attention to this. This is an uptrend, all right? But until this low gets broken, the market is going to continue to go up. Okay, so when we get a break of this line to the downside, then we'll start looking for the opposite position, that is for a sell position. All right, this is the 4-hour time frame, but that doesn't mean that we can't scalp this. All right, but the purpose of showing you the overall trend is for you to get where you should be, where your focus should be. Okay, if you are to be buying or to be selling. If you get a buy opportunity, doesn't mean that you can't place a buy opportunity, but you have to be careful. You don't want to go too far. All right, so you want the market to just give you a little profit and then you get out of the market. Okay, so the overall trend is uptrend, and then if we are able to even get an uptrend, a downtrend, it doesn't matter. Okay, we can open a downtrend position, but we need to be very careful. All right, we have to be very careful with our a downtrend opportunity, a sell opportunity. So my resistance is lying around there. Okay, so fortunately for us, we the current price is on our resistance zone. Okay, the price is currently on our resistance zone. So let's go to the lower time frame and see what is going on there. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame and see if we can actually get a sell entry. Okay, let's see if we can get a sell entry. So this is, remember, I think was it last week session, I talked about this. I talked about liquidity in the market. Okay, so drawn their resistance, something like this, and hoping that when the market gets to this point, it will start selling immediately. But it took them out. Okay, it took them out before it actually starts selling. Okay, so this is the small sell that the market has made. So the people that want to say this is the 1 hour time frame, they will go to the lower time frame, say maybe the 15-minute or the 5-minute time frame, hoping that when the market gets to this point, it will start selling immediately. Okay, but when the market got to that price point, what happened? It took their stop loss. Okay, it took their stop loss. So taking stop loss like this, we call it liquidity in the market. It liquidated their account before it actually starts selling to the downside. Okay, and then we got this long weak rejection candle. All right, okay. So this is another confirmation that the market will continue to the downside. Right. So here we have a little change of market structure. Guys, this is a hardcore analysis that I'm showing you guys. And I'm not even asking you guys to pay for it. Yeah? This is a hardcore analysis I'm showing you guys for free. So this is a change of character, and I've made mention of this also before. Okay, I've made analysis using this on from our previous sessions. I said the change of character can also be market structure shift. So that is a way of knowing that your market is actually changing direction. Okay, so I just love analyzing and making labeling my analysis. Okay, so this is just a label. All right, so your concentration should be where we are going to be entering our trade from. Okay, so this is just a label. Do not concentrate on this. All right, so let's go to the lower time frame and see if we can get. Okay, so this actually took this zone out. So our change of character shouldn't be here anymore because we have this break to the top side. This is a liquidity zone. Our change of character should be around this area. Okay, and then my change of character is going to be my last low. My last low here. Or better still, let's go to the 1 minute and see if we actually got. Okay. Yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So since we already know that the market is inside a resistance zone, and then it can actually start selling, right? So let's make the analysis on the lower time frame, on the 1 minute time frame, and then see if we can get a scalping opportunity. Okay. So there's a gap here that isn't filled yet. The market can still go up there to fill it. Okay. And then we have this also. All right. So let's go to the 3-minute time frame so we can see our market clearly, our analysis rather. All right. So we have this little change of character on the 1-minute time frame. Change of character, as I've said, is a way of getting the confirmation of change in market direction. Okay, so it's just the ICT way of confirming a change of market direction. Okay, and how do you get this? You get this by marking out your previous low. Okay, your recent low, the previous low that created this high. All right. So, if the market is going to continue to go to the top side, it will just continue, breaking the high. Okay. But what happened here? Instead of the market to continue going up and break this high, it came down to break the recent low. Right. So this is how I was, able to get the direction of the market. Here I knew that the market is going to continue to go down because this happened. Okay, so it took out my low here, which means that the market is going to it will start focusing on downtrend now. Okay, so even though it's not going to go for long, but at least it will focus on downtrend for the meantime. Okay, so what I'm waiting for right here, what I'm waiting for right now is I want this gap to get filled. Okay, this is the 3-minute time frame. So I want this to get into this line. Okay, I want this market, this current movement to get into this line. You see, it's buying already. This is the 3-minute time frame. So we want to look for a scalping opportunity. Okay, so let's just wait for this. This is the BTC USDT. Okay, let's wait for this to get here. So whatever happened here, we are going to make our decision from there. We're going to make our decision from it. All right. This is the 3-minute time frame. This is the 3-minute time frame. So every candle here takes just 3 minutes to finish printing. Okay, 3 minutes to finish printing. So the next 3-minute candle is happening right now. But before that, let's go and check our previous analysis. Okay, let's go check our previous analysis. Okay. So the AUD CAD is still, going close to our point of interest. That is our resistance zone, right? And then we made analysis on the Euro USD also. Let's check that out. Let's check that out. Okay. Okay, so we were waiting for the price to get to this point to give us a buy entry, yeah? And that is not happening anytime soon because it's the 30-minute time frame. So every candle here takes at least 30 minutes to get printed, right? So let's go and stay with the one that is, that seems like he wants to provide us an opportunity. Let's stay with that one. Let's stay with the one that is about to provide us opportunity. Sorry, the BTC USD. Okay. So While waiting on this, let's make the other analysis on the last suggestion. That's US oil. US oil. That's crude oil. US crude oil. Okay, so I don't have it here. Let me go search it out. Let me search for US oil. So let's just quickly make analysis on the US oil before this start playing out, right? But my best guess is that it will get to this point, right? To come here before it starts falling down, okay? But we want to stay on this in case it decides to take it from here. So first off, let me use the higher time frame. Okay, let me use the 4-hour time frame to get the overall direction of the trend. Okay. You see, this is how I'm able to get my overall market direction. What I love to do is go to the daily time frame so that I can see that clearer. Okay. So now I'll be able to see what I wasn't able to see on the 4-hour time frame. I'll be able to see it better. Okay. That is my resistance zone. That is my resistance zone. Now let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, the market is currently trading on the resistance zone. Okay, trading on the daily time frame resistance zone. Okay, daily time frame resistance zone. The overall trend is still a downtrend, but we are expecting a break to this downside. So you can come to the lower time frame. This is the 30-minute time frame. You can come to the lower time frame, draw what you are currently seeing. Okay, draw a trend on what you are currently seeing, what the market is currently doing. What is the market doing? The market is going up. Okay, so let's draw a channel that is going to connect the uptrend movement together. Right. So this is my analysis for US oil. All right, this is my analysis for US oil. This is the 5-minute time frame. All right, so the market is heading, is moving towards my the other channel. Okay, so that's the lower channel, right? The lower resistance trend line, support trend line rather. So it's moving close to it, and then I have a liquidity here. Then we have this little gap that the market can make a reversal from. Okay, This is a perfect entry for me if I'm supposed to. This is a confirmation that the market will come to at least this area. But the reason why I won't be taking this trade is because look at this long candle and look at this candle. So I want something that is going to give me a perfect rejection. Okay, I want a perfect rejection here. I want to see something um, that is going to give me that confidence, all right, that the market will move to the top side. This is the 5 minute time frame, and our market is currently inside a resistance zone on the higher time frame. Okay, so most of the time, consolidation is what we are supposed to be expecting right now. Okay, but on the lower time frame, we can actually take advantage of whatever is going to be happening on the consolidation, since the consolidation is going to be happening on the higher time frame. So we can focus on the lower time frame to look for opportunities. Okay, and then with the trend line we drew on the 15 minute, 30-minute time frame, the market is currently on the trend line, and I've already gotten an entry on the 5 minute time frame. Okay, this is an entry. Guys, I think we can actually take this trade. Okay, sorry about that. We can actually take this trade. Let's go to the 3 minute time frame and see if we can get. So the first rejection, the second rejection is actually a confirmation. Okay, so the first rejection was long, the second rejection didn't take it out. Okay, that is another confirmation. Guys, let's go to US oil. Open your chart to the US oil. For you that suggested we should make analysis on the US oil, God bless you. This is a great opportunity you provided us. You see, this is the kind of people I love on my live stream, okay? People that engage. So, guys, keep the suggestion coming, okay? Keep the suggestion coming. If you have any other instrument you want us to make analysis on, keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. US oil, US oil. US crude oil, okay? On your BTC Dana app is US crude oil. US crude oil. Let's take a peep on the BTC USDT, okay? Let's take a peep on that. Okay, so our entry is not yet triggered. So let's go back to the US oil and, see if we can get our perfect entry on this. So I could have called out a buy entry, but I want the market to get to this area because I don't want our stop loss to be too long. Okay, I don't want our stop loss to be too, far, just in case the market goes against us. We don't want to take a trade that is going to liquidate our accounts. Okay, so let's just be patient for this. It will come back to this entry, and then we can, take that opportunity. So, guys, in the meantime, open to your US oil, go to your BTC Dana trading application, and open US crude oil chart. US crude oil chart. Go to the US crude oil chart, and let's stay on it, okay? So this is a beautiful opportunity. This is a beautiful opportunity, okay? So immediately this triggers here, we are going to take a buy entry. Okay, we are going to be buying. So what we are waiting for right now is for this market to move down here, okay, to this area, to this area. Guys, get your account ready. If you haven't fund your account, this is the best time to fund. Okay, please go and fund your account right now. Come and take this trade with us, and make sure you are funding up to $15. Okay, $15 and above. Make sure you are funding your account with at least $15. And if you want to fund right now, go to the chat room. Okay, so on top of the chat room, there's a banner, and on that banner, deposit with benefit is written on it. Click on that banner and it will take you straight to where you can make your deposit. Okay, where you can fund your account. All right, so guys, please make sure you are funding at least $15 so you'll be qualified to join my premium group. Okay, so let me just take a peep on the USD BTC. Okay, so it didn't trigger our entry. This is where we want the market to trigger from. This is our entry. This is our stop loss. And this will be our take profit. So let's just wait for this to make a retracement back here before we take an entry, okay? So if we are to enter right now, our stop loss will be too far, okay? So that means we are risking a lot to take just this short trade, right? And I don't think anybody wants to invest in something that, maybe you are investing 15 naira to get 20 naira. If we are to take this trade right now, that is exactly what we're going to be doing, okay? That's the kind of investment we are going to be investing. Investment of 15 naira. If I lose 15 naira. If I'm going to profit, give me 20 naira. That is not good, right? So let's wait for the perfect entry, which is here, where the market is going to give us a beautiful stop loss and the take profit. Okay. So this is one 1 to 2.6 risk to reward ratio. Right. So if you are risking whatever you are risking, you are making 2.6 times of it. Okay, that's 2.5 times of whatever it is that you want to risk. So the two trades that we are waiting for are not going back to our entry. Okay. And the
Hello, Leo.
time is, oh, yes, Biodun, I'm with you.
Yeah, I have, I think, a suggestion here.
Okay, okay,
But
okay.
before that, okay, the suggestion is on uh, that's Chima Chimaraji. Sorry if I'm calling your name
Okay.
wrongly. Chima, he said check on BTC. He didn't say more than that. He just said BTC. So
Okay, okay. We are
then,
already, this is the,
but before
okay,
then,
please continue.
let me just answer. How can someone withdraw their bonus? Kindly go to that's for Deborah. Please go to the Telegram group and ask. Bella will be there to answer that. This is a live session for a training, not on bonuses. But if you are trading on the platform, you can easily withdraw your bonus. You can always use withdraw button to do that. Then the next question,
Okay.
Good evening. I'm new here. I want to know more about this platform. That's okay. That's Iliyasu. Okay, Iliyasu, this is a trading platform. I know you have downloaded the app already. That's why you are joining this. That's why you could join this live session. It is a trading platform. If you are new to trade, always join our class for 7 p.m. to learn how to trade. Leo will be here by 7 p.m. to teach you how to trade starting from the scratch. Then you can also make money while you are joining the class by making a deposit of $15. So you'll be getting signals daily. If you don't know how to use the signal by that 7 p.m., Leo will be showing you how to use the signal to trade and make profit. I think I've answered your question. So somebody also is asking, Sky, US oil time frame. What time frame are you working on? We are working on 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. We are switching between we are switching all together to see which where the what is it called? Where the profit margin can happen from. So we are not yet. We are only switching. At the moment, we are on 3 minutes. So you can always switch to 3 minutes to see the same chart Leo is actually seeing at the moment. So Leo, I think the only suggestion available for you here is BTC. No other option
Okay.
at the moment.
All right. All right. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, guys. That's beautiful. So I hope you all don't answered all of your questions. So guys, the BTC USDT, we were actually waiting for the market to make a retracement back into our space here. Okay, this gap here, but it never did. And see, it came all the way down. Okay, but no worries, no worries, no worries. All right. Even though we are not able to get opportunity, opportunities in forex market doesn't happen every time. Okay, so sometimes you are able to get more than one. Sometimes you don't even get anything at all. Okay, but you see, I love making this live stream as fun as possible. Okay, though I know without you guys it's not going to be fun, but I want to make sure that we actually go away with something. And thankfully, this is heading close to our point of interest. Okay, so let's set a sell limit on this trade. Okay, let's set a sell limit on this trade. Let's set a sell limit on this. So this will be coming to this area. Let's set a sell limit on this. Okay. This is our first analysis. Um, the AUDCAD suggesting that the market is going to continue to go down. Okay. And then we have this small gap around this area on the lower time frame, where we are actually predicting that the market will start going down from. Okay. So since the time is already against us, I don't want us to lose this opportunity. Okay. So you see, this is why it's important for you to join my premium group. Okay. So it doesn't have to be just on this afternoon session alone. Okay. So if you're on the premium group, you get signals back to back. Whenever the opportunity provides itself, I'm going to send it to my premium members. Okay. So if you're on the premium group, we don't have to be, waiting for opportunities on the live stream alone. So let's set a sell limit on our BtcDana trading application. Okay. Let's take this entry. Let's take this entry. So we are going to be setting a sell limit. Guys, sell limit. Okay. So go to your chart. Go to your chart. I think I should show you my chart and, so that you guys will see me doing it too. All right. I think it's better that way. Okay. So this is my BtcDana trading chart. So let me go home. So the pair is AUD CAD. AUDCAD. And if you don't know how to do that, just follow my steps. Okay. So first off, so let me just assume let me just assume you are on the front page right now, the front page of BtcDana trading application. Come to market, go to market. Okay, click on the market here. Then come here and search for AUDCAD. Okay, go to your search box and search AUDCAD. Okay, so after searching, click on it. See, this is my AUDCAD chart. Okay, AUDCAD. This is my chart. And what I want to do is I want to place a sell limit. Okay, I want to place a sell limit. So I'm saying that when the price get to that price point, when it gets to that price point, it will start selling from there. Okay, so I clicked on sell, and then I clicked on pending order. After clicking on sell, it's going to bring out this box. Okay, these options, it's going to bring it out for you. Okay, so we have position, and then we have pending order. So click on the pending order. So I'm assuming you are on the pending order right now. Let me just give you guys some seconds to be on the pending order. Okay, so if you're on the pending order right now, type so here where you are seeing enter price. So type 0.86 736. So let me repeat that one more time. 0.86 736. Okay, so that is the price where where we want the market to get to and start selling. Okay, so click on this this that looks like a button. Click on it. So that is where we are going to be setting our stop loss and take profit. Okay, so let's set the stop loss first, since it's our first option here. Okay, let's set for the stop loss first. So for the stop loss, enter, let me clean everything. So for the stop loss, enter 0.86 832. 0.86 832. Okay, and for the take profit, enter 0.86 569. So let me repeat the take profit one more time. 0.86 569. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that from the beginning in case you didn't get that. Okay, we are setting a sell limit on AUDCAD. Okay, so click on sell, and while the box pop out, you see a position and pending order. Okay, position and pending order. Click on this pending order. Okay, click on this pending order. Come to enterprise here. Enterprise. This is where we are going to be entering the price where we want our market to get triggered from. Okay, so come to this price now and type 0.86 736. Okay, so I'm calling this out because I know the screen is kind of small. Okay, you are seeing the screen very small right now, so I don't want this to, that's why I'm calling it out. 0.86736. That is our entry price. Okay, and for the stop loss, 0.86832. Okay, and for the take profit, 0.86569. Okay, then click on sell. Click on sell. Okay, so sorry, here I'm getting minimum, set minimum of 0.657. So let me just see what is going on. All right. Zero point. Okay. Six eight six five seven. Oh, sorry, 86857. Okay. Okay. So our stop loss is we were actually having a little problem on the stop loss. So the stop loss now is, so let me go back to my screen since I've said this. We have a new stop loss, guys. So if you're not able to set yours, let me call out the new stop loss for you. So the new stop loss is 0.868 0.86857. Okay, and then click on sell. 0.86857. That's the new stop loss. All right. So guys, we've come to the end of our session for this afternoon. Please don't forget to join me on the evening session that will be coming around 7 on the dot, 7 p.m. this evening Nigerian time. Okay, that is the session where I'll be walking you through how you can start doing all of this yourself. Okay, so I'll be explaining in details how you can start making analysis and getting entry points. Okay, so Biodun,
Yes, I'm here with you.
yeah, if you have one or two you want to say to them, uh, this is the ending of our afternoon live session.
Okay,
So if you have
what I
any,
would say, what I would say is to encourage you guys, for those beginners who have joined and asking how to trade, you can join by 7 p.m. I'll be right there. We'll be talking about what is support and resistance, what is capping, how to buy and sell in the market, what is bullish and bearish movement. We'll be talking about retest. Those are basic things that you need to be able to know how to trade from the day one, from the scratch. So you join us this evening. I'll be there to support and to answer all your questions. See you by 7 p.m.
So, guys, Biodun has said it all right. Join us around 7 p.m. So that you'll be able to get how you can start making analysis yourself. All right. You remember this for afternoon session is all about making analysis and looking for entries. Okay. So here I don't make in deep explanations of what I'm doing. Okay, even though I still try, to make it, but it's not going to be as comprehensive as on the evening session. All right. So, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the evening. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Bye for now.
Yeah, bye for now, Leo.
Thanks, Biodun. Bye. I'll see you in the evening.